Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Civil Engineering Hub. In this video we are going to learn how to find out the quantity of cement, sand and aggregate for RCC tank. As you can see in this video that the slab that we are providing at the base of the tank, the dimension of the slabs are 2.3 meter by 2.3 meter, and the slab thickness which is provided to us, that is of 11 centimeter. If we talk about the outer to outer dimensions of the water tank, that is 2 meter by 2 meter, and inner diameter, that is 1.7 by 1.7. If we consider wall thickness, it is of 15 centimeter, and the height of the tank is 70 centimeter. To find out the quantities of cement, sand and aggregate, first we need to find out the volume of the water tank. So for this particular structure, we will divide the entire structure into two parts. First one, that is the slab that we are providing at the bottom, and second one, that is the structure of the water tank. So let's find out the volume of this structure. If we want to find out the length of this line, the inside dimension which is provided to us, that is 1.7 meter, and the wall thickness is 0.15 meter. So we can say that the center to center distance of this line, that is 1.85, and for this particular structure we have four lines having the same length which is equal to 1.85. So if we want to figure out the total length of the water tank wall, that is 1.85 multiplied by 4, and if we multiply with the 0.15 which is wall thickness and 0.17 that is the wall height, we can easily find out the volume of the structure, that is 0.78, that is the upper structure. Similar way we can find out the volume of the bottom slab, as we know that the outer to outer dimensions of the water tank is 2.3 by 2.3 meter, and the thickness of the slab we have, that is 0.11. So we can easily figure out the volume of the slab, that is 0.5819 meter cube. To calculate the total volume, we need to do the summation of first part and second part, that is 0.78 plus 0.589, which is equal to 1.369 meter cube. As we know that the total volume we will require, that is 1.369, which will be wet volume. So we can calculate the quantity of cement, sand and aggregate as below. Let's see how we can calculate it. We will design this water tank for M25 grade of concrete. So the proportion of cement, sand and aggregate is going to be 1:1:2. As we know that the 1.369, it is a wet volume. Now to balance the calculation, we are taking 52% of bulkage. So we can say that the total volume of the cement, sand and aggregate required, that is 1.369 multiplied by 1.52, which is equal to 2.08 meter cube. And if you want to calculate cement, you can easily calculate like 2.08 divided by 1 plus 1 plus 2, which is equal to 0.52 meter cube. Proportion of the cement and sand are equal, we can say that the sand volume will be also 0.52 meter cube, and the volume of the aggregate is going to be twice the volume of the cement, or you can say sand. So we can calculate it like 0.52 multiplied by 2, which will equal to 1.04 meter cube. As we have the volume of the cement, sand and aggregate, we can easily calculate weight for each material. So let's find out the weight by multiplying it with density. So for this particular structure, if we can say that this, if we want to calculate cement, the volume that we have, that is 0.52, and sand we have 0.52, and for aggregate we have 1.04 meter cube of volume. Now to convert this into the weight, we need to multiply it with the density of each material. For cement we are considering density 1440, for sand we are considering density, that is 1600, and for aggregate the density is 1800. So the total weight of the cement that we are getting, that is 748.4 kg, sand that is 832 kg, and for aggregate that is 1872 kg. So this is the way by which you can estimate the amount required of cement, sand and aggregate for any structure by just calculation of the volume. Now to calculation of the tiles, or you can say number of tiles required, first you need to identify the area. So we have the four sides of 1.70 meter, and all four sides you can say the height that is 0.70 meter. To calculate the area we can say it will be 4 multiplied by 1.7 multiplied by 0.70, so that the area that we are getting that is 4.76 meter square. And if we want to find out the area of the bottom portion, that will be 1.7 multiplied by 1.7, so you can easily find out the area of the bottom, that is 2.89 meter square. So the total area you can say it will be 4.76 plus 2.89, which is equal to 7.56 meter square. Now for calculation of number of tiles required, first you need to identify that which size of tiles you are going to use. So for this member we are considering the size of 1 feet by 1 feet, that is 30 centimeter by 30 centimeter. We have the dimension of the tiles in centimeter, so we will convert that area into the centimeter, or you can also convert the dimensions of tiles into the meter. So after conversion the area that we are getting that is 75600 centimeter square. So if we divide the total area with the area of one tile, you can easily figure out the number of tiles required. So 75600 multiplied by 30 centimeter by 30 centimeter, which is equal to 75600 divided by 90. So you can say that the number of tiles required are 84, but for factor of safety we are taking 90 number of tiles, because many times it is possible that uh, during the handling there will be some damage in edge of the tile or the corner of the tiles, so you can order 90 number of tiles. Thanks for watching this video guys. If you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel Civil Engineering Hub. Thanks for watching.